Good morning, everyone. My name is Ram Dhamija, and I bring to you the update for the markets for 20th of January. So today is a very big day. Today is the Trump swearing-in ceremony, and there is going to be a new president in the world's biggest and the strongest country. The news is that tonight only, just after presidency taking over, there are about 200 legislations that he's going to sign. So that is going to be a game changer on day one. So we need to brace ourselves for the coming weeks and months ahead, how this presidency is going to play out and what impact is it going to have on our markets. Now, coming to how our markets are looking like, Nifty has been in a range, as I had said, of 23,000 to 23,450 odd. For the last 5 sessions, we need to either break up or break down from this to establish a clear trend. And we have seen that it has just been moving in this range with some sharp movements. So let's see whether today is the day, or maybe tomorrow might be the day, for all you know, because today the US markets are closed. So we might not have very huge cues coming in from the global markets. But having said that, Asia is quite positive right now. Nikkei is up. China is up almost 2% on good earnings reports coming in. And our gift nifty is slightly flat to green. In terms of US futures, they are trading slightly lower, but on Friday, the US markets were up and the VIX actually cooled down over there by about 3 percentage points. And Nasdaq was up about 1.66%. So that was very good. In terms of our markets, how is the open interest looking like? The open interest right now for Nifty is at about 0.8, which is slightly bearish with about 10.68 crore calls and 8.46 crore puts. Most of the open interest, the biggest candles are at 24,000 and 22,000, but that doesn't make too much of a difference for the market right now. But the more important thing to be seen would be whether we break the range of 23,500 on the upside or 23,000 on the downside. In terms of Bank Nifty, that is bearish. It's at 0.52, so the open interest is much lesser over there. We had Kotak Bank results over the weekend, so that is going to impact the Bank Nifty somewhat. So let's see how that impact plays out. The results were supposedly good. In terms of the other global cues that we can look at, the US 10-year is at 4.62. That's gone up slightly by about 0.26%, which is not great news for us. The USD INR is at 86.53, and that is showing no signs of going down. So until unless there is a huge cool off in the global markets on dollar index, we can't expect this to go down. And now with the further sanctions on Russian oil imports, the crude might also go up and it might have a negative impact on our markets as well. So crude as we speak is okay. It's at 80.5 USD, but it had gone to 83. Now we will have to see whether it breaks 83, or if it cools down, then that's going to be good for our markets. In terms of Bitcoin, we are at 102,000 US dollars, which is good, which basically indicates that there is a risk on rally going on over there. Gold and silver are flat at 2700 USD and 31 USD respectively. So that's it from me in terms of the cues. There are not any major cues per se, except for the inauguration, which is going to happen today, and the crude that we need to keep an eye out on. Currency, of course, is weakening. Yes, one more thing is the FI is selling. So that was about 3,000 crores. That has taken the number to about 45,000 crores. So that is another thing that we would need to watch out for. So that's it from me for today. Have a profitable trading day, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.